Just by investing 25 rupees, now you can start making such aesthetic art. This palette comes with 15 vibrant shades, as you can see here. In terms of spending just 25 rupees, I personally found them pigmented enough to start watercoloring for daily practice. Also, this is good enough for beginners and intermediate artists. As you can see, you get enough pigment to work with watercolor palette. So basically, here the trick is you have to work in layers. Once first layer is dry, then top it with the second layer. By working in layers gives you better vision to work on paper. Also, it helps to get those pigments alive on canvas. Once you feel satisfied with your base layers, then top it with the darkest color available in palette to add more details to it. By adding those darker shades, it will give your artwork more defined look. So if you are not understanding what I am saying, simply just follow what I am doing. I have just used basic yellows and red. That's it. Nothing more fancy is used here. You can just simply go through the process and follow it. So easy. Just look by adding this black and brown at last how more defined this artwork is looking. Also further, for eyelashes I have used fine markers. You can also use thin brush if you are comfortable with, but I am comfortable with this fine tip marker, so I am going with it. And just for your knowledge, I am using here 0.05 tip. Well, honestly speaking, in this palette the white color is not this much pigmented, so I am using white acrylic paint to give this artwork beautiful highlight. So here comes end to my video. Next time I'll try to come with better tutorial. Thank you, love you guys. Please do like, follow and subscribe if you like my videos. Thanks once again, love you.